So I woke up late and I have no idea what is going on with the charts, so we'll have to see what today brings. But yeah, I must have needed rest because it's 10 something and normally I'm up really early. So today's gonna be a long day. All right, so, oh, that's the wrong paper trading account. The Leap account. What are we at? We are hovering. I got 4 trades open. Let's go see these positions. Looks like SPX 500, DE30, the Germany 30, Japan 225, gold, and silver. So sitting in SPX, little $100 or almost $1,000 profit, $500 loss, $150 loss, and $1,000 profit. So let's go take a look at the ones that actually closed out already. So this one's getting close to take profit. That should ring up soon, hopefully. Same thing here. GBP, JPY, USD. So that pinged up as well. Gold. Ooh, gold's actually getting close to the loss. So unless gold flips around, we're probably not going to win that one. Same thing. So I guess that's kind of obvious, unless it flips around. I mean, yeah, never mind. Just leave me alone. So, and then this, what is this? What is WTIC Whitco? Oh, West Texas Oil. Okay, so you got oil, silver, gold, Japan 225, Germany 30, SPX 500, and natural gas. Okay, natural gas. Where were we at with that one? Aw, that one looks like it just barely wicked out. Aw, that's sad. So I missed the 9 o'clock. Let's turn this around. I missed the 9 o'clock candle because I was really tired and didn't hear my alarm go off. So I will probably have to wait till the 1 o'clock candle to see if what's going on. I mean, obviously I have 1, 2, 3 trades that aren't actually doing anything right now. So I will place those trades as long as the candle looks right. Once again, if it looks like an indecision candle, I'm not going to place the trade. But if it's strong in one direction or the other, I'll place the trade. So simple as that. And then we'll just continue seeing where this goes. We're what, day 5 in August? Day 6? I don't know. I don't know what day we are. And already we are sitting at, let's see, really all depends because it's hard to say because I got 4 trades that are actively open and you know, some of these can close. What is this one? This one's at 1,000 profit. So you could lose 800 there, another 400 there. So that's 1,200, 700 there. That's 1,900. And then this one can lose another 9,000. So almost $2,800, which it would actually bring me back to break even. So there is that. All right, so 1 o'clock's getting ready to hit in about less than 1 minute. I also have a meeting that I need to get onto. So currently it looks like natural gas, I will be taking a buy according to just taking the previous candle. The West Texas oil looks like a buy as well. And then JPY, yeah, no, that one. That one looks a little bit like an indecision candle. Well, actually not really. I don't know. See? Okay, so because I don't know, I'm not going to take it. So WTCBBB, nope. Same thing, natural gas. Natural gas, though, I'm going to take. So let's go ahead and set that up, and then we'll see how everything plays out. The other ones are still going, so I don't know how they'll pan out. So this is a pretty good video from RockzFX Academy. It's called This Trading Strategy Changed My Life. This is, I mean, it's the same thing that I talk about as well. Just having a simple concept and process that you come through every single day and you do it over and over and over again. And eventually, it doesn't matter how much you win or lose, you're going to learn something about your process that you can make better for yourself. So that way you can actually start seeing what works and seeing what doesn't work. And then it's just tweaking. You make small adjustments as it goes. But you got to keep your process simple enough that you can do it over and over again. Because if you don't, you're not going to be able to figure out the small nuances that need to be changed. So don't overcomplicate it. You can't make rules up. You can't make your trading so rigid that you can't even place your trades until you've executed something 100 times based on whatever belief system without having a skew of doubt. You have to hold on to whatever belief you have. You have to execute based on that belief consistently, and you have to keep it as simple as possible. Then you can make adjustments as you go on, and those adjustments will be true adjustments and not assumed adjustments just to protect you in the worst case scenario. Those are words from RockzFX, and they are true words. So take them to heart. So cooking dinner, and I had some trades going, but I don't know where they're at right now. Both the Trading View Challenge as well as my own personal trades. I think that's one of the qualities I see of generally a lot of successful traders, which makes me feel a little bit more comfortable about where I'm at, is the fact that once we get into a trade, we don't worry about it. You know, it's going to do what it's going to do. The numbers are going to play out however they're going to. Whether you actually have some sort of management style that causes you to actually look at the chart and then make adjustments as you go. You have alerts set, you know what you're looking for, you know what you're waiting on. And so there's no point in like overdue stress. It's either going to work out or it's not going to work out. And you've already planned for that. You either plan through that through your risk, or you plan through that through the amount of quantity of trades. You're going to have some really good quality ones that make up for the losers. So don't worry about it. Somebody was asking me about looking at my journal. My journal is out there. It's on, I think, just about every single YouTube video that I have in the comments someplace. And asking about two candle theory. And it's really nothing special. None of the strategies are actually special in themselves. They're just different ways to look at the market and get into trades. Different ways to manage your risk and your exposure to the market. Different ways to capitalize on certain elements and aspects of trading. And so it's like if you are finding yourself jumping from strategy to strategy, you're doing yourself a disservice. You need to take the time to get into the markets and actually get the experience, basically to understand where I'm at right now, which is all trading strategies work. They just don't always work for every trader in every situation based upon their lifestyle and experience. So you need to make it work for you. You can. But the thing is, you need to find one strategy and stick to one strategy. Give it a month. Give it a full dedicated month with no distractions. You may not be profitable at the end of that month, but I'm almost certain you will see something of yourself that will give you that a little bit of confidence to know you can make it. And that's the drive, that's all you need from then on out. So looking to see what we have going on here on my trades. I need to sign into the account and we'll figure out where everything's at. So currently this is where everything's sitting. It says the account equity, if I were to close everything out right now, 254,000. So I'd be $4,500 up if I closed everything out right now. I am sitting in, it looks like all trades except this one. What happened to this one? Oh, it finally hit take profit. Okay, so I think that was one that we were watching before. All the rest of them, you know, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing you. The silver's halfway to that one's probably going to close out here shortly. This one's going up. We'll see. That one's out, and SPX 500, there we go, could be going up. So that is that so far. So yeah, we'll have to see where everything goes. Who knows?